Hi, I'm Mike Harley from Exponential, the guy who facilitates and mentors businesses through the Fast and Furious Innovation short course. So, what is Fast and Furious Innovation all about? Well, FIAL and Exponential saw the need to have a practical, hands-on short course that addresses the unique needs of the food and agribusiness sector and ideally accelerates your innovation challenge to launch within 6 to 9 months while providing a process and tools that you can use in the future. We use the exponential active learning approach, lean startup and design thinking, as well as my 30 years of international experience in food and consumer goods, as well as innovation, to develop the short course. I guide you and your business through an individual briefing session, 3 Zoom-based workshops of 2 hours over 3 weeks. Then 6 to 8 weeks later, we catch up for an individual mentoring and coaching session to answer your questions and provide any more commercialization advice I can. The focus is on delivering commercial outcomes, always critical, but even more so at the moment. We've now teamed up with the Central Coast Food Alliance to run 2 more programs before Christmas. There are limited places available, so I hope you can join us.